Hurricane Irma was the first major storm to hit Florida in 12 years, one of the biggest storms recorded in history. It came in the Naples area, one of our major markets, and then turned inland. A lot of our customers were actually impacted by the storm. Our goal as a company was to get product to them. We had trucks that were sent to Naples with relief supplies. From an employee standpoint, our goal was to touch all 2,800 folks with a phone call to at least say, hey, are you okay? And then, what do you need? We want to do more than just build a window here. We want to provide that comfort, that peace of mind, that security, that you and your family are safe. You could sit in your house, not hear it, see it, and think, okay, we're going to get through this as you see the storm pass. PGT products are the best in the industry. Our brands, PGT, CGI, WinDoor, we were first to market with an impact product. We're the leading industry experts. That's what I want you to think of when you see PGT, a sense of comfort, peace, security, safety.